What if I told you your mop and vacuum could finally retire forever? Yes, you heard that right. One device is now replacing them both, cleaning your floors faster, smarter, and hotter than ever before. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a floor cleaner that not only vacuums, but also uses scalding steam to tackle grease and grime you didn't even know was there. And it does it all while barely lifting a finger. Stick around because the way it works is unlike anything you've seen. Meet the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Stretch Steam, the latest in their S7 series. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a hybrid cleaning powerhouse. On one side, you have a vacuum with 22,000 pascals of suction, capable of picking up hair, dust, and debris in one pass. On the other, a hyper-steam system that heats water to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, melting away stubborn grease and oil like magic. The S7 Stretch Steam also features a 180-degree lay-flat design, making it effortless to reach under furniture or in tight corners. And it's smart. iLoop sensors detect dirty areas and adjust suction automatically. Meanwhile, the flash dry system takes just 2 minutes to self-clean and 5 minutes to dry with hot air, keeping the device hygienic between uses. But here's where it gets really interesting. It's cordless. That means up to 80 minutes of runtime in normal cleaning mode. And yes, it supports fast charging if you ever run low. You can even control settings via the app, check battery life, and monitor cleaning performance all from your phone. So is it worth the $699 price tag? If you're tired of switching between mop and vacuum every week, want a smarter, faster, and more hygienic clean, the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Stretch Steam delivers exactly that. One swipe, one machine, spotless floors. Check the link in the description to see it in action and consider upgrading your cleaning game today because your floors deserve more than ordinary.